Hi everybody, this is Mirav, and today I'm going to teach you how to add a product to a Joomla Digistore. So here we are on the Digistore control panel, and we can either click on Products Manager, or we can choose under Managers on the left, we can choose Products. So now we can see all the products that we have here. We have more, we're just seeing 5 at a time right now. And you can see which ones are published, which are not published, and also the category of each product. Now if you want to add a new product, this is how you do it. You click on New, and now you have a few options. Now this is very important because based on which option you're going to choose, it's going to show you different tabs with fields that you need to fill out. So we basically have 4 different types of products. We have the downloadable products, the first 2 options, which is one of them domain is required, one of them is domain not required, but they're essentially the same fields. And then we have shippable. If you're selling a shippable product, it's going to ask you a few other questions about how much you want to charge for shipping, for example. It will allow you to enter stock for this product. The next option is a package. If you want to include more than one product, this is how you do it. You choose this package. And the last one is service, which basically you don't give them anything, so it's not downloadable, it's not shippable, but it's a service that you will provide them. So let's see what happens when you click on the downloadable. And we go over really quick on all the different tabs here. The first tab is the general settings. It's just the name, the subtitle. Let me show you how the subtitle looks like. This is the subtitle, this is the name. You can choose the category for that product, and you can choose the product family if you wish. The product family is something you can set up here. You can also choose the tax class if you want to charge for tax. If not, I mean, you can always leave it as general, which is the default. And whether you want to make this product featured or not. If it's featured, it's going to show at the bottom of the list of products for each category. Here you can enter a short description and a long description for your product. Let's take a look. If I choose one of the products, you can see this is my short description and this is my long description. Media allows you to enter a video like we did here. This is a video we added. You basically just add the URL of this video on the supported sites, which are all the sites that are listed here. Usually it would be Vimeo or YouTube or one of those popular sites. And you can enter the size here, the width and the height. Access, who can access, who can see this product. You can make it public, registered, or special, which is admin. Now you can also, on the extra tab, you can also choose to link the name of the product to somewhere else. So you can link it to a different site. If, for example, if you're an affiliate, you can link it to the place where they actually sell the product. So you can specify the URL here where you want to link it. Or you can link it to an article inside your site. But the most popular and what you're probably going to use is link it to the product page itself. Or you can also link it to nothing if you don't want to link it at all. And what I'm referring to is the name of the product. Right now it's linking to the product page, but like I said, you can link it to many other options. Meta tags is for search engine optimization. You can set up the title tag, the keywords, and the description. Now if you want to do it quickly, we give you a tip here. You can use Joomla SEO. It will allow you to set up all your meta tags really quickly for all your products. So I highly recommend you look into that. Publishing is whether this product is published or not. And if you want to set it up to start publishing on a certain date and end publishing on a certain date, you can do that as well. Images is where you start uploading images for your product. You can upload a bunch of them at the same time. Just basically highlight a bunch of products and it will start uploading them one after the other. Okay, in this case I just uploaded some buttons that we have. But you can you can choose which product, which image is the default image, which is what it's going to show here. And you can also enter like a description for this image that's going to show under the image. Let's take a look. This is the description that we entered for this product. So these are the images. You can also delete the images. You can rearrange them by using the arrows here or by entering a different number. Now this is only works for downloadable products. You're going to see this tab like this. Basically, it allows you to choose the subscription for this product. For example, we have a few subscription plans available: 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, 1 month, 5 downloads, and upgrade for life. You can set up those subscriptions here under plans. Okay, so in this tab it allows you to choose which subscriptions are going to be available for this product. For example, if you want upgrade for life, you can choose this. You can make it the default. You can also choose 1 year access, 3 months access, and you can also choose a different default. It's up to you, and you can enter the price here. Say $99.99, and then 1 year access is $59.99, etc. So you can set up the prices for each one of those plans. Now, if you want to give them also renewal plans that maybe are discounted, you can just choose it here, just like you did with the subscription plans. And when their subscription is expired, they're just being offered the renewal plans that are selected here with the prices that you enter here. Now you can also set up which email reminders are going to be sent when the subscription has expired. And you can see those email reminders right here under subscriptions, and you can set it up there. So here you can choose which ones of the email reminders you have set up here, and you have a few of them by default, are going to be sent out when their subscription has expired. If you want to show, if you're selling products that you think people are going to buy more than just one item, you can choose to show the quantity drop down to let them choose more than one. Now, because remember we started, this is a setup for a downloadable product, you're going to have to upload a file that they will download from you, because that's what you're selling. So in our case, I'm just going to choose the file here, and then it will upload it when I click the apply button. Here on the email tab, you basically can set up which email they're going to get when they buy the product. Of course, you need to activate the email here. So it is no by default. It's not going to send the email by default, but you can set it up to yes, and then enter the confirmation email they get once they buy the product. Now this is really cool because you can be very specific about this product. They're already going to get an email saying thank you for your order, this is how much you paid, etc. But if you want to be specific about a product, you can say something like, here are some tips for using our products, here's a promotional code if you want to buy it again, or whatever you want to say. You can use any of the variables here on top in order to construct your email. The last one is the MailChimp. If you're using MailChimp for sending newsletters, then you can set up to which list they're going to be added automatically. Now you can already see that there is something here, and this is being set up on the general settings, so you don't have to enter it every time. The MailChimp API and the MailChimp list ID are already set up for you. But if you have a group specific for each product, you can enter the group name here. Okay, for example, on Joomla, each one of our products has its own list, so we're going to enter it here so that every time somebody purchases this product, they're going to be added to that list automatically. So this is for downloadable products. Now let's take a look and see some of the other products available. I'm going to close this. and I'm going to start a new product, and this time I'm going to choose shippable. Now, you probably know by now that Digistore was developed for digital products, so shippable products are still possible, but it's very basic. So everything we saw so far I'm not going to talk about, but let's talk about the pricing. Here you're not going to see subscriptions anymore because it's a shippable product, so you just need to enter the price, like $99.99 or whatever the price is. Shipping is where you can set up the shipping for this particular product. And like I said, it's very basic. You can set up either a flat amount or a percentage of the amount. So let's say that you're selling, I don't know, let's say a box of chocolate. So you can say everywhere in my state it's going to be $5. Everywhere in my country it's going to be $10. And everywhere in another country it's going to be $20. And that's how it's going to be. It's very flat rate. Now if you want to kind of get an estimate of how much it's going to cost you for real, you can click to any of those links and it will take you to either the US Postal Service, USP or FedEx, and you can see how much it's really going to cost you, and then you can estimate it and enter it here. Let's move on to packages. If you click on packages, you're going to get a different set of tabs. We talked about most of these tabs already. So let's focus on the one that's really different here, which is include. Basically, if you want to sell a package, you need to choose which products you'd like to include inside that package. So that's why you click on the include tab and then you click on add product. And then it will allow you to choose which product you want to add to the package. You can filter here to find the product. For example, I want to filter by extensions to be able to add a couple of extensions. So I'm going to choose, let's say, Guru. You can also choose which subscription plan you will include in this package. You can give any of the subscription plans that are available for this product. And you can enter or add as many products as you want to this package. Let's choose another one. There you go. And here we go. We have a product which is a package with 2 different products inside it. And now you click save and you're done. And the last product type is service. If you click on service, you're basically going to get all the tabs that we talked about before already. And there's nothing here special. There's no tab just for services because it's a product that you don't deliver anything tangible or even intangible. It's like a service. So just fill out all the details like you did before and then take it from there with the customer. There's nothing special you need to fill out here. So this is it about how to add a product using Digistore. Thanks for watching.